What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet again another Jecs Kicks video, and today we are back at it again with another nice piece here. Hey, make sure you guys check out this video here if you guys missed it. Really tons of crazy details on this CPFM item, really sick, and we also have more coming up soon, so definitely stay tuned. All right, but anyways, enough talk. We got our Supreme Vanson leathers drop here from week 1, the racing team long sleeve shirt, which is really cool. So I'm excited for it because it has like a jersey mesh on the shirt as well, so I'm definitely interested in seeing how that's going to look on body as well. And you know, we got another Vanson item last season, so if you checked out that video, make sure you guys check it out. Really cool. But first off, let's go ahead and take a look at the stickers that we get from this drop. Obviously our standard box logo. Get the world famous one here as well, and unfortunately I did not get a crown, but we also got this sticker here, which is like the shattered glass sticker, which looks really cool. All right, but here's a look at the shirt here, the long sleeve shirt, and I wasn't expecting it to be delivered today because I did not get any emails on it being out for delivery or whatever, so that's crazy. So I thought it was gonna be another item that I ordered, so hey, that's really cool. But unfortunately we did not get the crown. Like I said, that would have been nice if we did. If you did get the crown, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And if you did get this long sleeve, let me know what color did you guys get, and do you guys plan on getting all the colorways? Definitely let me know. All right, let's open it up. All the colorways were really nice for this item, but I wanted the black colorway because I wanted something more toned down. And honestly, the Vanson leathers pieces are pretty much like the highlight of the season, you know, with the Vanson leathers jacket and the Spider-Man jacket and stuff like that. Really awesome stuff here. I definitely plan on getting the hoodie. I'm gonna try and go for the hoodie for sure. Very unique item here. Here it is, freshly out the packaging, and here's a look at it. Oh wow, oh wow, dang. Okay, this is definitely, obviously because it's all embroidered, it definitely has like a little heavy weight to it, but I was not expecting the quality to be as good as it is in hand. I mean, I expect it because it's the Vanson leather stuff, but still, I mean, look at the back. I was not expecting that to look that clean in hand. Wow, because on the pictures you can't really tell, it says that it's embroidered, but you can't really tell how good the embroidery is and everything else. And when you're looking at it like this, that looks really good. A really nice quality of the embroidery right there. Wow. So yeah, the red part is printed though. The red part does feel printed. Everything else feels really good though. This is embroidered. The Supreme is embroidered, but the red part on the star is printed. That's what I meant. But okay, really nice. I do like all the other colorways, but I just wanted a clean look when it comes to this item here. So yeah, we will be trying it on as well, so don't worry. This is an extra large. That is my true to size as well. There's a look at the tag, and similar embroidery to the work shirt that I did unbox last season, which you guys can check that out. Very nice embroidery on here, and you guys can see the jersey mesh on it on the upper chest. And same with the sleeve, it has a mesh jersey like feel to it. Oof. I'm super happy that this is embroidered too. The sleeves are all embroidered, so the Vanson leathers sleeve and Supreme logo is embroidered too. So overall really nice. Obviously you flip it inside out, you'll see the embroidery. And here, okay, and then this sleeve, this is all printed right here since 1994. All this is all printed on the sleeve, but then the Vanson leathers patch, same with the Supreme logo, is embroidered as well. So overall, really nice quality. I was kind of nervous on this. I was like, hopefully because it's a Vanson leathers item that they're not trying to tax us, and then the quality is not really there. But this quality is so far so good, so I'll get a better feel once I try it on right now. So let's go ahead and try it on real quick. All right, guys, so here's a look at the item on body now. As you guys can see here, has your typical t-shirt feel when it comes to a Supreme shirt. Feels really nice though, feels very comfortable. And obviously you got like the jersey mesh material on the sides here, which looks really nice. And like I said, everything's embroidered here as well on it, which looks really cool too. Now obviously if you guys got like the other color, you know, you guys do see a contrast, but the all black on black, I really like the look of it a lot. Keep it clean as well, especially since there's already a lot going on with all the embroidery on it. Yeah, overall really nice piece. Like I said, everything's embroidered except for this part here, but overall it looks really good, very comfortable as well, and quality is really good actually. It has like a somewhat loose fit to it, so I do like that, and feels very comfortable to wear. So overall, I really like this piece. Definitely let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. But overall, that is the item here. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Did you guys get the whole collection, or are you guys missing the black piece, so you guys want to check it out and see what it looks like first? Overall, I do like the look of it as well. Was it worth the price? I'd say for the price that it was retail at, I think it's good. So can't complain about that at all. I'm very pleased with the quality, especially the embroidery as well. So this is a really nice piece overall. I can't complain about it at all. But definitely let me know what you guys think about this piece in the comment section down below. And also make sure you guys check out my other videos, because we have a lot of videos dropping soon. Obviously you guys saw the CPFM video. If you guys missed that, check that out. And we got another one dropping very soon as well, guys. So yeah, overall I'll take this Vanson leathers piece, and I'm very excited to look at the Supreme Vanson leathers Spider-Man hoodie, the black one in particular. Man, hey, save that one extra large for me. I need that one I definitely want to try and get. But other than that, still, hey, week 1 success, and I can't wait to see what else Supreme plans on dropping. Definitely have a couple items that I plan on copping from this season, so definitely stay tuned if you guys want to see some more Supreme items and more shoes and clothes as well. I got you guys covered. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you guys for being here. Make sure you guys follow my main channel as well. Link for all my socials is in the description down below. All right, guys, see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace.